Lucas Penetrating Oil is a truly superior penetrant designed to dissolve corrosion and rust without drying. It loosens rusted-on nuts and bolts, finding its way into the tiniest of crevices and lubricating them. Fortified with powerful corrosion inhibitors and wetting agents, it provides protection for parts exposed to the elements. Use Lucas Penetrating Oil for nuts, bolts, hinges, bearings, sliding doors, bicycle chains, and dozens of other applications around the home, shop, garage, and office. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Due to its base oil formula, it resists evaporation, providing a tenacious film that fights water and corrosion and rust proofs for up to a year inside or out. Fortified with anti-seize agents, it's a great way to stop these annoying squeaks, and there's very little odor. Lucas Penetrating Oil is equipped with a locking pop-up tube and a 360-degree applicator. Use it at any position, even upside down. It sprays wherever you want it to, and you'll never lose the straw. Body shop safe and a perfect light-duty aerosol penetrating oil for any situation. For more information, visit us online at lucasoil.com or give us a call at 800-342-2512. Premium additives for innovative solutions. That's the Lucas Oil product specialty.